Hey, how you doing? Let me introduce myself since you've come to the website and the biography. My name is Mr. Wood, and I'm a teacher here at Cristo Rey for AP World History and for World History. Also at Cristo Rey, I am the advisor for the Black Student Union, so you might see me around in different areas, different roles. Let me tell you a little bit about myself since you stopped on by. All right, well, first off, I can say this is my 10th year teaching at Cristo Rey, which is pretty amazing. So I've been here for a while. I've taught 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade. I've taught world history, U.S. history, economics, amongst other things in my time here. So it's also, geez, how many years have I been teaching now? Quite a bit. It's my, let's see, 10 plus 5 plus 2 on Peace Corps. Oh my, like my 19th year teaching? Let me think about that. Yeah, I'm getting old. Anyway, so I live actually pretty close to the school. I live in St. Louis Park, which isn't too far away, and I like biking a lot. So often, with the weather's nice at all, I'm one of the many teachers here who bike to work. So it's a good way for me to exercise and, get to work at the same time. Pretty cool. Greenway's awesome for that. I love reading. Homegoing. This is a book I enjoyed. Read that one. I probably read somewhere between 20 to nearly 30 books a year, like a lot of teachers here do. Mr. Hartz is a reading animal. So is Ms. Rhodey, the Martinez sisters. We're a reading school, so I love reading. I love going for hikes. I like finding parks and going for hikes, especially with my kids. Taking them swimming in places like that. Oh, my kids. I have 2 kids. Cesar, he is just about to be 12 years old. And there's Sylvia, we call her by her middle name, Ella or Elita, and she is 10 years old. My son is totally into soccer right now. Loves soccer, loves reading, loves building things. Give him some instructions or something to build, and he'll take care of it, whether it's Legos or something you buy from IKEA. My daughter has an amazing imagination. She loves to draw. She's a dancer, really, really good dancer too, if I would say so myself, and very creative. I'm married to my amazing wife, Adelina. We have been married for 14 years now. She's been putting up with me. That's pretty amazing. She's a very patient, lovely woman. Yeah, I'm lucky. So yeah, that's a little bit about myself. I'm from Minnesota originally. A few little things about me, some facts. I was a Peace Corps volunteer. I lived in a country called Turkmenistan, which is in Central Asia. I still speak some Turkmen. Men Turkmençe gıpışmak bilen sebabı men Turkmenistan'da 2 yıl 3 ayları yaşadım. Turkmen maşkala bilen. It's a little rusty there. That was Turkmen. A real Turkmen speaker would probably be like, what? So anyway, my Turkmen's not the best anymore. Yeah, so I lived in Turkmenistan for 2 years and 3 months and taught English as a Peace Corps volunteer, which was really cool after I graduated college. Went to college at St. Cloud State University, not too far away from here. And then I went for my master's degree at Hamline University in St. Paul. So, yeah, I also love to travel. My wife, for example, Adelina, she's from Peru. We try to get there every year and a half, 2 years if we can. That I can practice my Spanish too, but yo hablo español como un gringo. So it's my Spanish is kind of rusty. It's not the best. Anyway, that's me. You're going to have me for either World History or for AP World History this year, or I might be your advisor if you want to be in the Black Student Union, which is an awesome organization to join. So that's a little about me. I want to find out more about you as this year goes on. So I will see you in class.